And we are going to talk about that big-time storm on the way in just a bit. First off, though, a little action this afternoon rolling through the Rio Grande Valley. Nothing like what we have seen in past days, but still a few passing storms in the Rio Grande Valley. A few stronger storms rolling through Santa Fe earlier on in Espanola. Mainly just rain here up towards Cuesta. And again, our bigger storm right now up to our north around Montana. That's the center of the storm, and we'll give you the storm report in just a bit. Meantime, though, temperatures dropping around Taos, 61 degrees, 70 Los Alamos, 69 in Durango, some 70s across the Rio Grande Valley, and it's looking like it's going to shape up for the most part to be a pretty warm Monday. Temperatures will be in the 70s and 60s to our north, 80s in Albuquerque, some 90s to our south, but much cooler temperatures as we head into tomorrow evening and Tuesday. We will drop those numbers by a good 10 to 20 degrees in many locations. We're expecting some 60s in Albuquerque, and also the potential for some rain showers in northeastern New Mexico and potentially some northern mountain snow showers as well. Of course, this looks to be a pretty cold system. There's still a little uncertainty with what exactly it's going to do. So here is your Sunday storm report. It's right now centered near Montana. Timing on this is going to be from tomorrow evening, potentially till the end of the week. So again, we'll keep a close watch in that. Expect with this cooler temperatures, some mountain snow showers, and also some valley rain, and definitely the wind. One thing that we can guarantee you, or at least a couple things, is the cooler temperatures and the wind. The bust potential a little bit higher than yesterday because we're still a little uncertain. The models are not really handling this very well. 65% on that bust potential. Now, as far as what we're going to be dealing with temperature-wise, of course, let's take you region by region very quickly. We're going to be looking at highs in the 60s and 70s across most of the area for tomorrow, including the Rio Grande Valley. Down south, take a quick look at those numbers. Of course, it's going to be a fairly decent day for us as well down there into the 80s and 90s, and of course some 90s down in the south and east. Of course, we'll have your 7-day forecast coming up tonight.
Okay, thank you, Travis. Here's what's coming up tonight on KRQE. 60 Minutes is coming up next, followed by the 61st Annual Primetime Emmy Awards on CBS. As soon as the glitterati wrap up, we'll be back with the late edition of News 13. That will happen sometime around 10 o'clock, but you never know with the award shows. And Travis Christie's here again with the 7-day forecast.
Yeah, let's try this again. Of course, Santa Fe first off, though. Temperatures are going to be on the cooler side heading into Tuesday. Of course, we got that storm system rolling in. Could see some higher elevation snow. Albuquerque, there you go. Highs in the 80s with partly to mostly sunny skies tomorrow, but drastic changes heading into Tuesday. Now, especially if you're up around Las Vegas and Raton and the higher elevated areas, Angel Fire and Eagle Nest. Thunderstorms, a good possibility Tuesday into Wednesday for the metro area with highs in the upper 60s and 70s by the end of the week.
Thank you, Travis.